So I needed an outside tap in my garage. The trouble was, there was no nearby water supply. I want to use my pressure washer here, and I have to run a hose pipe a really long length to do that from right around the other side of the property. So I've been optimistic and I've fitted a tap and I've piped it up the garage wall and through the garage wall. And that's as far as I've got. But I'm going to show now how I'm going to attempt to do it. It's very difficult if you're going to use rigid copper pipe for what I'm trying to do here. So I've never used it before. This is polybutylene pipe coil, which comes in a 25 metre length from Screwfix for £38. And I'm using the push fit connectors, and I'll use as little of them as possible as I go through the job. But let's see how I get on with this. So there's the other end of the pipe coming through the garage wall. All I've got to do now is get to the nearest water supply, which is actually up there in the loft. So here we go. So I'm going to pop my ladder up now to the soffit, and I'm going to put a hole through the soffit, which shouldn't be too difficult. And then I've got to attempt to run the pipe down, hopefully parallel to this conduit here, so it don't look too bad. So this is how the pipe looks where it comes up into the loft. I've clipped it along a piece of wood, and there it goes towards where I'm going to do the joining. And the pipe is now all lagged all the way through to where it's going. Well, this is the final connection bit now. Here's the pipe that comes up from the garage, from the tap, with the T-piece on, all ready to insert it in this pipe, which is the nearest cold water pipe. And I've put a mark on there where the centre of the T-piece will be, and I'm just going to cut that pipe, stick that up there out of the way. I'm going to cut the pipe. I've already turned the water off and drained down the cold taps, so hopefully there shouldn't be too much water in here. But just in case, I'm going to put this tin under here, so we don't want any mess. There we go. There we go. Just a dribble. Perfect. Right, so now all I'm going to do is insert this T-piece onto the pipe, ensuring that the pipes go on right to the end of these connections here, so you get a proper fit. So let's have a feel of that. That felt good. Lock that on. Let's see if we can get this one in. Oh yes. And lock that one on as well. And with a bit of luck, that's the job done. So I'll now go and turn the water on. And the big moment has finally arrived. Yay!
Easy peasy lemon squeezy.